BR75 Toyota Hilux Camper. Direct Cars, based in Tokyo, specializes in converting Japanese trucks and vans into versatile campers designed for outdoor adventures. Their latest addition to the lineup is the BR75, a four-door camper built on the Toyota Hilux GR platform. The sleek camper boasts a pop-up roof, two doors, and convenient access from the truck cab. Inside, the interior is lined with rugged materials, offering durability and functionality. A bench seat and table easily convert into a spacious bed, complemented by a second pull-down bed suitable for children. The camper is equipped with a touchscreen control panel that provides easy management of HVAC, lighting, battery, and water levels. Featuring a separate bathroom with a slide-out counter, accessible from both inside and outside the vehicle, the BR75J also includes a side-mounted awning and rear hatch window. During installation, the bed is removed and repurposed as a trailer included in the package. The camper offers modern fixtures, a full sink, and a waterproof floor. It is powered by a 200 ampere-hour battery and 200 watts of solar power, ensuring an electrified experience. The water supply is facilitated by 3 tanks with a combined capacity of 150 liters. With a starting price of approximately $83,600, the BR75 offers a practical and versatile camper solution. Limited Edition 8-11. The Northern Lights Limited Edition 811 is renowned for its industry-standard features, such as a residential-sized shower, U-shaped hardwood table, and premium leather seating. It is a genuine all-season camper designed for the most challenging conditions, boasting a foam-insulated racing roof with 8 windows providing a 360-degree view. The camper comfortably accommodates 4 people, offers 76 inches of interior headroom, a spacious full-size queen bed measuring 60 by 80 inches, and a dinette bed measuring 37 by 72 inches. Each Northern Light is meticulously crafted for comfort, featuring durable hardwood cabinetry, plush seating area cushions, ample headroom, top-end appliances, and a full-sized queen bed in the above-cab sleeping area. Staying inside during inclement weather will be a pleasure in your Northern Light camper. With a dry weight of 2,900 pounds and dimensions of 100 inches in height, 98 inches in width, and 195 inches in length, this camper offers plenty of room for your adventures. Other features include a 33-gallon freshwater tank, 2 batteries, 24 gallons of fresh water, 13 gallons of black water, and more. The starting price for this wet bath camper is $66,395. Alaskan 8.5 Cubover. Since the 1950s, Alaskan has been a prominent player in the truck camper industry. Despite the plethora of modern and feature-rich campers available today, Alaskan's tried-and-true 8.5 Cubover remains a popular and reliable choice. Unlike the oversized behemoth campers dominating the roads, the Alaskan 8.5 Cubover boasts a compact and low-profile design. Handmade by a dedicated team in Winlock, Washington, Alaskan campers possess distinctive traits that set them apart. Their patented hard-sided pop-up minimizes wind drag during travel and helps maintain better gas mileage. Additionally, the interior exudes a beautiful vintage charm, with 2 leather sofas facing each other and a ceiling-mounted dinette table providing a comfortable eating space. Though the Cubover sleeping area lacks sufficient sitting space and clothes storage, it does feature a convenient large fan vent for temperature regulation. The Alaskan 8.5 Cubover also comes equipped with a NovaCool 12 volts compressor refrigerator, a hidden cassette toilet, 12 volts, and USB outlets, handcrafted cabinetry, and a 3-burner propane cooktop. While these campers may not suit everyone's needs, those seeking a classic appearance and meticulous, handmade build quality will find Alaskan campers to be an exceptional choice. The starting price is $39,990. Phoenix Level 2. The Phoenix Level 2 is a compact slide-in camper known for its elegant design and abundant features. Its small size and streamlined Cubover make it possibly the most inconspicuous pop-up truck camper in the market. Surprisingly, this mini camper houses a built-in wet bath, an unexpected luxury for its dimensions, achieved through smart engineering and placement of the gray water tank and compact cassette toilet. With a floor length of 71 inches, it easily fits both long and short bed trucks with a slight overhang in the ladder case. The L2's dry weight of 1,180 pounds makes it compatible with small to mid-size trucks. With the roof popped up, the interior height reaches 76 inches. The camper's thoughtful design ensures maximum efficiency, high-quality components, and full insulation, making it suitable for year-round use. The standard package includes a 100-watt solar panel and a decent-sized deep-cycle battery. As a custom-made camper company, Phoenix requires advance contact and has a lead time of several months for purchase. Standout features of the Level 2 include the 100-watt solar system, a wet bath with a cassette toilet, a walk-on roof, insulated pop-up, and custom beetle kill pine cabinetry. The starting price for this slide-in camper is $37,995 US. Kimbo 6 Camper. Kimbo Living, based in Bellingham, Washington, manufactures Kimbo campers from start to finish. These campers boast delightful design elements, such as 3 double-pane windows with screens and blackout blinds. Additionally, each Kimbo camper is equipped with a roof vent fan featuring a skylight, LED lighting, and even solar lights along the perimeter. The camper comes with a 12-volt sealed battery and 110-volt outlets with USB connections for charging various gadgets. The Kimbo 6 camper offers retractable jack lifts installed on the truck's side with tie-down brackets and a roof ladder. Inside, there's a loft bed measuring 54 by 75 inches and several cushioned lounging spaces. For a fully equipped Kimbo camper with added options like air conditioning, roof-mounted solar charging, internally organized bins, and other extras, the cost is $25,999, with a weight of 500 kilograms, up from the $15,000 package's basic weight of 422 kilograms. This versatile camper serves as a trendy mobile office, multi-sport base lodge, traveling hotel room, and a classic truck camper, allowing you to explore the world in comfort and style. The starting price for the Kimbo camper is $22,999. Links. Total Composites specializes in creating camper layouts using pre-sized composite panels, which incorporate polyurethane foam as a core enclosed by a fiberglass skin, providing excellent insulation. This company is renowned for its premium 4-season slide-in truck camper, meticulously designed and engineered by Total Composites, specifically tailored for small truck beds. Unlike many other companies in the industry, Total Composites stands out as an industry leader due to its unique process that results in lightweight and highly durable hard-sided campers. By employing fiberglass brackets and adhesive to assemble the panels, they eliminate wood, which could be prone to rot, and metal that may rust. This smart approach also preserves the insulation, avoiding issues like condensation and mold caused by heat and cold transfer through metal bolts. Instead of constructing completed truck campers directly, Total Composites manufactures the panels and brackets and collaborates with third-party custom builders for the final build. They provide a list of approved builders on their website, enabling customers in the US and Canada to make their choice. TC campers are entirely customizable, catering to various preferences and needs. Whether customers seek a simple bare-bones shell for weekend getaways or a feature-rich, long-haul ready camper, one of the featured builders can accommodate their requirements. The Lynx shell model, designed for mid-size trucks, comes in both 5-foot and 7-foot lengths, while larger shell templates are available for bigger pickups. While TC campers may come with a higher price tag, they offer exceptional durability and the possibility of future updates. The 7-foot camper shell weighs approximately 275 kilograms, with prices starting at $16,695 for a shell and $25,625 for a fully furnished camper. Hiatus Campers. Hiatus presents a clever solution to the common problem with many truck campers, where the bed space is lost, rendering the truck less practical. Their hard-sided pop-up truck camper has a top that expands upward and folding hard panels. forming a sturdy wall all around. The upper pop-up walls use fiberglass construction, while the lower portion is made of aluminum frame and skin construction, with walls insulated using closed cell foam. This design is built to be practical in all 4 seasons, offering better weather protection compared to traditional fabric campers. Hiatus' hard-sided sleeper roof concept is reminiscent of the system used by the German company X-Tech in its Land Rover pop-tops, but adapted for a more universal truck topper platform. These campers are available for both mid-size and full-size trucks, with options for long and short beds, accommodating a wide range of truck owners. Remarkably, the Hiatus camper weighs less than 500 pounds, even for full-size trucks, combining rigidity, weight savings, and aerodynamics. With a modular and customizable design, the Hiatus camper proves to be a promising newcomer in the lightweight and minimalist camper category. However, be prepared for longer lead times. The starting price for the Hiatus shell camper ranges from $13,500 to $16,000, depending on the dimensions of the truck model it fits. Loki Acura Series. The Loki Base Camp Icarus redefines luxury in truck campers with its impressive features, such as an optional heated floor and efficient heating or cooling system, setting it apart from rustic alternatives. This all-in-one package includes the truck and camper, available in 6-foot and 8-foot bed sizes, perfect for off-grid adventurers seeking a self-sufficient base camp for extended trips. The camper's high-end construction and extensive features justify its higher cost, appealing to those planning to use it for extended periods or as a full-time home. The Acura Series excels in all weather conditions, equipped with double-density synthetic composite insulation and a high-efficiency AC and heating unit powered by internal batteries and solar panels. Customization options allow buyers to tailor their camper, choosing exterior colors, interior materials, and various accessories. Inside the camper, the mudroom entrance offers convenience to remove wet clothes before entering the interior, featuring a versatile removable shower area doubling as a table and seating. The lounge area with removable aluminum platforms provides relaxation after adventurous days. The camper price starts at $200,000. Powerbuilt V2. Looking to embrace electric vehicles, EVs, without sacrificing your camping adventures? The Powerbuilt V2 pop-up camper is here to revolutionize your camping style. This innovative camper comes with an electric scissor lift that can be adapted to run off your electric truck's battery, ensuring you can roam far from charging stations with ease. If you're an outdoor enthusiast seeking the ultimate camping experience without the hassle of designing and building your dream rig, Powerbuilt V2 has you covered. This camper takes care of all the hard work for you. Cargo worries are a thing of the past with the Powerbuilt V2. Its rooftop can carry an impressive 300 pounds, allowing you to bring along all your gear, whether it's boats, boards, or boxes. Despite its spaciousness, the camper's dry weight of 400 pounds ensures it won't strain your truck's suspension. With a generous interior headroom of 6 feet 5 inches when open and a camper length of 112 inches, the Powerbuilt V2 offers ample space for a comfortable camping experience. The camper's starting price is $19,000. OEV High Country. Here is the all-new hard-side flap camper from Overland Explorer Vehicles, OEV. The OEV High Country. Available in fixed removable or fixed versions, this camper offers a wet bath, north-south Cubover, and can be financed as a complete truck, tray, and camper package. Designed for long bed flap trucks, the 2023 OEV High Country boasts a spacious interior with a floor length of 96 inches and a front-to-rear wall length of 111 inches. With an interior height of 75 inches and an exterior width of 84 inches, the camper provides ample space for comfortable living on the road. Equipped with 38 gallons of fresh water capacity, an 18-gallon gray tank, and a 5-gallon cassette toilet, the OEV High Country ensures you have all the necessities for your adventures. Additionally, it can accommodate up to 2 320 amp-hour batteries and a 20-pound horizontal marine propane tank if you choose the fixed removable version. The base weight of the High Country is reported to be 2,950 pounds, making it suitable for various flap trucks. The starting price for the fixed removable version is $122,000, and if you opt for the AlumiTray HDHC, it is an additional $15,750. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to watch the next similar video on your screen.